guys, this is Candy here with Crazy Eights Life, and I have a Glossy Box unboxing for you today. We're going to just do this real quick. I'm going to open up this, well, maybe I am, if I can open it the right way. There we go. Open up this box for you. This is what it looks like here inside. The box is gorgeous itself. Super nice. And then we're just gonna open this up here. Here, I'm assuming, is the little flyer that's going to tell you what is in the box, but I'm going to show you. So, and there we go. But I will show you real quick what is in the box here. So the first thing that we have is dry shampoo. Authentic beauty concept. I haven't tried this brand. I do use dry shampoo. My daughter has been asking for some more dry shampoo, so we will try this out and see how we like it, and I'll actually get her input too, and maybe we'll do an update or an empties video to review the products that we used and the ones we liked and maybe didn't like. So that is the first one. And then this nail polish, which I actually have on my nails, although it's coming off. Well, I think it said Lauren B, just a glitter polish, probably more like a top coat. All right, so we have the polish, the dry shampoo and the polish, and then this is an item that actually my sister had, a different, like the same brand, but a different shampoo scrub, and she really liked it. So I was excited to try this out. This is a Christopher Robin cleansing volumizing paste with pure Rasul, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, clay, and rose extracts. So it's just kind of a natural shampoo. You scrub into your scalp and then rinse away and then condition afterwards. I'm not sure if you can see this. I feel like my lighting is off, but I don't have my glasses on and I cannot tell. All right, so the next item is this BioSilk serum, hair serum, Silk Therapy. I have used this for years. It is a really good product. It's light. It lasts forever. I haven't used it in years. I don't know why. I just quit buying it. So I'm real excited to have another bottle of that. And then Intraceuticals Daily Serum. And who doesn't love a good serum? And here it looks like we have a lip liner. Although I'm having a hard time reading it. I don't have my glasses on. It says Cab Cosmetics full-size strawberry daiquiri lip liner formulated for perfect lip contouring. This lip liner will make you photo ready for the holidays this year. This mid-toned pink with nude undertones can be used alone or easily paired to their favorite lipstick. It is a very pretty color. I don't know if you can see that there. All right, and then the last item we have is this facial mask. I'm going to try to get this out without knocking everything down. So it's actually one mask, I believe. This is the bottom, and this would be the top around your eyes. And it says MZ Skin by Dr. Mariam Zamani Hydrolift Golden Facial Treatment Mask. Yeah, so there's one mask in here. And it is one of the kind of thicker masks. I've had this style with like little eye masks. So we will try that out. And that is it for this box. And that is all I'm gonna do. So I don't know if you guys have gotten this holiday box and what you think, and if you guys have tried some of these items, let me know what your favorite is and if there's some that you didn't like. And I will be back next time. All right, guys, so that is it for this unboxing. And I hope you guys have a great holiday season, and I will see you next time. If you would like to see more unboxings like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.